Matty's car part 2. So he has carried on and put a few extra stickers on. Obviously we've got one side done, which you've seen already in our other video. Got the Perspex windows in now.
Nice and strapped.
And in the back. And he went out his way to fit the spoiler already. Cheeky little extra vinyls on the back. Don't look at that. So we're moving on to this side now. We've had to re-polish the old car because somebody sprayed their car near ours and got overspray all over it. Woo!
Wait, what about your favourite bits that you've not shown?
Oh yeah. I'm not a lover of these, but some people are. Little
Carbon fibre.
And your grill.
Carbon fibre.
So yeah, we're just working our way through doing this side on the vinyl now. We've got the cuts ready, so we're gonna
Carbon fibre.
we're gonna start laying down the chrome base and then layer up the top over that.
Carbon fibre.
Yeah, I'll come back when we get to it. Right, so the next one to do is 5L. So what we're going to do is get 5L and lay it where we want it, which should be down here and goes up the door. Right. So yeah, as you can see, Matty's starting to line it up. I think that comes back a bit more, doesn't it?
I see mine at the door.
I'm sure they stop there on the other side, or do they?
No, they cut off. It stops before the door.
Ah, yes. Okay, so yeah, basically go back and forth to make sure we're happy with the position. This side wrapped up for a base layer anyway. We have learnt from our mistakes on the other side. Not that it looks bad, but just a more efficient way of doing things. And it's come out really nice, to be fair. So we'll be back up here tomorrow evening to put all the rest of the stickers on. So sponsor stickers, etc. Then we'll be good for the weekend, which is another video because we are off to Outsiders Auto Open Day. First show of the season for both of our cars. Looking pretty. And yeah, see what happens. Day 2. So Matty's cracking on, putting the base layer of his sponsor stickers on already. Oh yeah, basically we've got a photo of the other side and he's replicating what goes where. And so far so good. You excited, Matthew? A lot of excitement there. And then at the same time, making a couple of changes to this. Had some clearance issues when we last went out, so shaved off a little bit of bumper, a little bit of the arch. As you can see, a bit of paint has come off. Not ideal, but we will crack on. So, finished off the last few bits. Ready for the meet tomorrow at Outsiders Auto Open Day. Both cars are finished. Matty's just finishing putting his insides back in. He's used to flushing his insides out, but today he's putting his insides in. Yeah, boy. Oh, back shot.
I'll give you back shots.
Yeah, buddy. Got this handsome young man coming with us tomorrow. Oh.